Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today's currently day 2 of my quest of trying to hit 80 grand for the year 2020. And yesterday I listed 20 items after taking the whole month of December off. And just like clockwork, listing equals sales. It's just that simple with eBay. eBay is all about momentum, and that's what I'm going to try to focus on this year, is consistently listing anything, like anything. Yesterday I listed 20 hats, and this morning I listed another 10 hats. And the yesterday's batch, I had better hats, like good brands, NFL brands, NBA brands. This today I just had a bunch of leftover hats from the 60 hats that I got from the bins. I still have probably like another 30 to list. But anyways, we're gonna look into the dashboard and we're gonna look at what sold yesterday and a little bit today. All right, let's go right into it. All right, as you can see, we're in the dashboard. I got 12 items ready to be shipped it out, and here's the numbers of what I'm talking about. As you can see, it wasn't that good. Like yesterday, if you watched it on the video of the day before yesterday's video, these numbers were not looking like this. It was looking even worse. I think I was like 60%. But anyways, did $91 today so far, 230, pretty much 240 yesterday, and 100 the day before. I am all pleased. I am happy. I am stoked about those numbers. It's on its way up, so I'm happy about that. Check this out. Let's go into some of what sold. This was listed yesterday, and it sold yesterday for, let's see what the exact price is. I think it's like $35 is what it sold for. For hats that I got 21 cents each. Oh my, hold on, give me a second. There it goes, right here. Is this one right here. It sold for $34. This old school Mighty Ducks hat. There it goes right there. Look at that. It's even a little dirty on the inside. But still sold for $34. Then we sold another hat. I didn't think this was going to sell. This is a golf's hat. Put it in the title, golf's hat. This is from when the Colorado, University of Colorado won the national champions, but it's not in football. You know what I mean? Because I thought it was football, but it's not. This is golf. And it sold this morning for 10 plus shipping. I think it went for $16, 10 plus shipping. Yep, $16.87. Then we have from yesterday, I knew this one's gonna sell. Steelers hat. Pick 4, really dirty on the inside. It's dirty on the inside. Look at that. And it's still sold. You know, maybe they'll find a way to clean it. I didn't know how to clean it. Look at that. Nice old school NWA style Steelers hat. This sold for, let's see what the price is. The accurate price. $25.25. That's a good price. I brought it down a little bit because, like I said, it was dirty. Then we sold this. I thought this was gonna sell for a little bit more, but I took an offer, so I kind of let it go. It's a nice Perry Ellis, old school, like 90s style Perry Ellis. There's nothing wrong with it. I got an offer for $12 yesterday, and I took it. So I think it went for like 20, 21. Then we got a dress. My wife does the dresses. We picked these up at the bins. This was actually, it is a nice dress. I don't do dresses. She does, but it's nice floral pattern dress right here. This one sold for 25. So that's another good sell. Like I said, you gotta understand, we got these for like $1 or $2 at the bins. We do most of our shoppings at the bins. So that was the dress. Then we have, I did this one in the video yesterday. Now I'm shipping it out today. It's just a pink Vans. Like I said, it was kind of dirty at the toe, but it's still sold. So that was from yesterday. This is an old school Vests. I love picking up vests. I love vests. I love them. William Barry vest. This is old school. Probably the 70s. It looked like 70s, maybe even 80s. This one went for. This is full price. I don't think they got an offer. This one, $33. It's a nice sale. Nice sale. Vintage. This is the American Eagle shorts from yesterday. This one for 35. American Eagle cargo. I love the cargo. I love American Eagle. I pick up shorts. I'm heavy on the clothes. This is the extra length. Those usually go for more, but they don't usually go this much. So I was lucky to get a full price sale on this for 35. This one, we have a Saks Fifth Avenue. This is 100% cashmere. This is once again at the bins. Got lucky, found a nice. This right here probably paid for the whole bench trip. Actually, no. The bench trip was over $100, so 100% cashmere. This is really nice. No holes in it, no whatsoever. It sold for, I think, 44? No, 40, yeah, $40. That's a good sale. This is one of these, I think it's Brazilian Polenco. Don't. Anyways, I'm pronouncing that wrong. But anyways, these shoes, I think it's Brazilian. Maybe not. Not too sure. Don't take my word for it. But anyways, this one sold really nice. Look at those nice leather weaving patterns. This one sold for $40. Wow, the shipping on this was a lot because it actually sold for $26. But the shipping, depending on where it's going, I don't know where this one's going yet. I haven't shipped it out. I don't know where this one's going. But the shipping's kind of much. Most likely California. Could even be Hawaii. Who knows? This is one of those Birkenstocks. This is nice. This, once again, I got at the bins. Look at the color pattern. Look at these things. Colorful, nice Birkenstocks. I'm selling like summer clothes in the middle of July. I said July. In the middle of January. It is January 2nd. There it goes. This one sold for 44. 44. Now we have some, what is it? Paul Stewart. That sold for 51. And that's it. Look at this. This Paul Stewart I've had for a long time. I'm not even going to act like this is, I mean, it's a good sale, but it's not like it sold fast. These, the dress shoes for me anyway, takes a while to sell. But I'm not going to pass up Paul Stewart when I come across it. So that's pretty much it for now. On day 2, we are in the green, you could say. This is not complete, but I'll show you guys real quick what I'm working on. I have a spreadsheet that I got from Lindsay Glenn, I think her name is. I just downloaded it, and this is going to help me keep track of this quest of trying to hit 80 grand. So as you can see, I have just the gross on this side, a little bit of eBay fees. I'm gonna do a little bit more customization to it. I haven't shipped them out yet, and the cost of item will be mostly $1 because I have about 1,500 items. Most of them are from the bins, and I've already probably gotten back all my profits for them. So I'm just gonna put $1 if I don't know the price, and going forward from today, I will keep track of the price from stuff I get from Goodwill or Salvation Army. So as of today, right now, I'm not gonna say, well, it's not 320. It's probably gonna be like 250. Well, yeah, probably to 250 after today. But anyways, that's it. If you guys like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Check back later. I'm trying to get a video up every day. I'm gonna do some live streaming too. I'm gonna go to the store, see if I can find a piece so I can do some live streaming. And hopefully you guys stay tuned and follow this journey. Alright, catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.